Solve for x. 2x power 2 minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. We want to use quadratic equation formula in solving this problem. So we use the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus square root over b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Then we can write this equation in the form of ax squared minus plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then our a is 2, our b is negative 3, our c is negative 6. Then now we can say that x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root over negative 3 power 2 minus 4 into bracket 2 times minus 6 over 2 times 2. This is giving us 3 plus minus square root over 9 minus 4 into bracket negative 12 over 4. This is giving us 3 plus minus square root over 9 plus 48 over 4, which is giving us 3 plus minus square root over 57 over 4, which is giving us 3 plus minus 7.55 over 4. The square root of 57 using our calculator is giving us 7.55 to 2 decimal places. So this is giving us x is equal to 3 plus 7.55 over 4, or we have said that this is giving us x is equal to 3 plus 7.55 over 4, or x is equal to 3 minus 7.55 over 4. So here this is giving us 10.55 over 4, which is giving us 2.64. And this other side, x is equal to 4.55 over 4. 4.55 over 4, which is giving us 4.55 over 4 is giving us negative 1.14, negative 1.14 to 2 decimal places, negative 1.14 to 2 decimal places. Negative 1.14 to 2 decimal places. So our x is 2.64 to 2 decimal places, or negative 1.14 to 2 decimal places.